If you are a victim of identity theft, then you're in luck here, because the FCRA has a remedy to block and remove any negative items resulting from the identity theft. And the process in many cases takes less than 30 days. As you can see from the video, this is a real report and those are real deletions. And it does not matter how many negative items you have that is related to the identity theft. All negative items must go, and I do mean all. So it does not matter what it is. It could be a car, a medical bill, a credit card, a gym membership. It does not matter, because per the law, everything must be blocked and removed. Over the years, I've helped hundreds of identity theft victims, and now I'm offering the same techniques that I use to help those individuals. If you would like to know how to get a copy of the Do-It-Yourself Credit Repair Kit so you can remove negative items resulting from identity theft, check the description for ordering information, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.